Hey everyone, Casey here from Clientric. In today's tutorial, we can go ahead and check out the status of our signature documents. So in order to do that, on the left-hand side, you can see all your documents, all the ones that have been sent, that are in progress, completed, declined, expired, drafted, or that have been bulk sent. You can also check out the ones that have been received and that need your signature, which is really cool. So in order to go through one of the ones that is in progress, we can actually click all. You can see that we have this completed one and we have this one that's in progress. This is one we did in the last tutorial that was just signed by ourselves. And then we have this one which was sent to Casey at Casey Sign T Example 2. Oh my goodness, I shouldn't have named it that. That is the next one it was sent to, and it should be sent to my email inbox. So that being said, we can click on this and we can actually see where it's at. We can view the document as well, where it's at, the status of it, which is really cool. If we click go back, we can see the recipient status. Again, I kind of mentioned this in the last one, but you can see where it's at, viewed, signed, all that good stuff. We can also edit it if we wanted to. So we can edit certain items, and then we have to note why we edit it. So we could actually change this slightly. Actually, it doesn't look like we can change this one, but we can change different pieces of information. Let's say, it does look like I actually made a mistake on this. So it would never have gotten to me. That's actually a great find and great example. I did that on purpose, obviously. So if we click continue next, it's going to go back through, it's going to be signed by this person, and we are going to continue with it. So we have now made those changes. We are now good to go. So we can continue all the way through. So if we go back through this, we can see that that has now been updated right there. So that has been updated to clientric.co, which is actually what we wanted. So in that case, we can actually do a couple different things. I now want to actually send a reminder to this individual. I can't send it out again. What I can do is I can email the document if I wanted to that individual and have them sign it. I can send a reminder. This is typically what I would do in this situation. I would want to send a reminder to the signers. So anyone who is still waiting, we can talk about signing templates, reminder templates in a minute, but essentially now I just got a reminder to this email address to fill this out. And I believe I just got a notification in my email. So I have confirmed that I did receive it now. And let me just look at it. I'll open it up so you can see what it looks like on this end. So I am going to open it, and you should now see, if I were to reload this page, that I have viewed it. So now you can see that I viewed it, and if I sign it on my other screen, let's just go through this. And you are going to see the completed version of it. So I've now completed. There's a couple of things you can do. You can extend this if it's still in progress. Let's say you're coming up on that 10-day deadline. You don't want to have to recreate the document, so you want to extend it. You can always click extend. You also have the ability to recall it. Now this is before they sign it completely. You can click recall. That's just going to bring the document back. It's going to cancel everything, and you're going to have to give a reason as to why you want to recall it. So for example, if there is an amendment that needs to be made in the contract, you could recall it. Don't send it out. That would be the best thing you can do there. You also have reminder settings. You can change this after you send it out, and you can have individual document reminders. So you can set up every 5 days, you can turn it off, doesn't really matter. You do also have these 3 dots, so you can save to the cloud, you can download it, you can edit it as new, so you can basically create a copy like it's new and send that one out. You could save it as a template, you can change the ownership, and you can export the audit. So that is the entire audit history. It kind of looks like this. So it's going to be a lot of different pieces of information about that specific document. Maybe you have questions about its validity, or someone else has questions about the validity of the document you signed or you sent out to your clients. That would be the way to check that out. Again, let's just reload this to make sure this document has been signed, it's been completed, we are good to go. So that is how you go about checking out different pieces of information on your documents. So if we come back here, we now have 2 that are completed. We can see all of this information. We can download the document, change the ownership, all that stuff. So this has changed slightly, and you can actually view the completion certificate. Now this is important if you ever needed to. Let me just bring that over. It popped up in a new screen, but you can see what that looks like over here. So this is just a confirmation, all that good stuff, different IP addresses, confirmation that you did in fact sign it if you ever need that proof. And that's it for this tutorial. We hope you enjoyed it and found some value in it. Please make sure you are liking and commenting down below on this video, and make sure you are subscribing to our channel. It helps us reach a larger audience like yourself who is looking to get ahead when it comes to all of the Zoho information that's out there. And please make sure that you check out our website, www.clientric.co, and check out our other social channels like Instagram and LinkedIn. We're posting a ton of content all the time, and we're doing it for you, so we hope you're finding value out of it. And if you aren't, please let us know how we can provide you some value. That's it for this one. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.